Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the sheet and making a copy so you can revert if needed. This preserves formulas and formatting. Once done, scan for filters, frozen rows, and protected ranges because they often create table-like behavior. Make note of the exact cell ranges used by pivot tables or data validation. You'll act on those elements first. Now select the range you want to alter. That selection determines whether you remove only the visible table styling or change underlying data structure. Next, remove the mechanics that make the sheet look and act like a table. First, turn off filters and delete any filter views because they enforce column headers and drop-downs. Then unfreeze rows and columns to restore normal scrolling. Frozen panes often imply a table. Clear direct table styling with format clear formatting, or use the paint roller to reset specific ranges. If pivot tables exist, delete or move them. Make sure to check data validation lists and conditional formatting and disable as required. Finally, validate that removing table features didn't break calculations by checking formulas and named ranges. Update any shifted references. If the visual table persists, reveal hidden rows or columns, and remove lingering borders or banding under format alternating colors. Also confirm sheet protections. Locked ranges can prevent edits that remove table elements. If something goes wrong, revert to your copy, then reapply only essential formatting. One key troubleshooting tip: use the copy to test each change in isolation before applying to the master sheet.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.